Let's see what's cooking in the Little Tikes Cooking Store kitchen. It's the only kitchen that's ready to set up anywhere. Now you can bring out the chef in you with an oven and stovetop that has real cooking knobs, microwave and refrigerator, a sink with a faucet, and over 34 cooking accessories to cook up even more fun. With plenty of storage, there's a perfect place to store everything. And when you're done cooking, it magically folds up in a snap. There's nothing like the Little Tikes Cooking Store kitchen. Cook it, fold it, store it. Now your kitchen really can go anywhere. Little Tikes Cooking Store kitchen. Cook up some fun. Little Tikes, imaginations in motion.